has the height, it has the presence, it has the net found, and Haiti lead on 28 minutes. It's right on that minute mark as well. It was perfectly placed. That's really unfortunate for the goalkeeper Centeno. Right on half-time as well. It's come off the defender. Finally it's prodded into the path of Surprise. The goalkeeper tips it up into the air and it drops off the upright and then in off the goalkeeper. Well, that's so unfortunate.